Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Dialogue, your space to speak smart. Think global. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sophie. Today, we're diving into something that affects every student, worker, and even us as content creators: time management.
Have you ever felt like there aren't enough hours in the day? Or wondered why some people seem to do so much more?
By the end of this episode, you'll learn essential vocabulary and idioms, real stories and practical strategies, cultural perspectives on time, grammar and pronunciation tips, writing and speaking practice, fun quizzes, and a special challenge.
Stick with us, and remember to like, subscribe, and share so more people can manage their time and improve their English.
Let's fill your vocabulary toolbox. Repeat these words:
deadline,
schedule, procrastinate, prioritize, productive, time-consuming, buffer time, overwhelmed, efficient, commitment.
Now, idioms and phrases to sound natural. Time flies, time passes quickly. Against the clock, doing something fast before a deadline. Call it a day, finish working for now. In the nick of time, just before it's too late. Beat the clock, finish before time runs out. Kill time, do something just to pass time.
Example sentences. Wow, this week flew by. I finished my report in the nick of time. I'm really trying to prioritize my homework tonight.
Write your example sentence using one of these idioms in the comments. Practice makes words stick.
Daniel, how does your typical workday look?
I usually wake up around 6:30, stretch, and then check my daily plan. I block time for creative work in the morning, meetings after lunch, and editing in the evening.
Sounds disciplined. I'm more of a night owl. I write scripts late at night when it's quiet.
Do you ever get distracted?
Of course. Social media, random videos, or sometimes even cleaning my desk.
Same here. But I've started using the Pomodoro technique: 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes rest. It really helps.
To our viewers, are you an early bird or a night owl? Share in the comments.
Back in college, I had to finish a huge research paper. I kept saying I'll start tomorrow. Suddenly it was the night before.
Oh no, what did you do?
Pulled an all-nighter, finished at 5 a.m., slept 2 hours, then handed it in. The paper wasn't bad, but I felt terrible.
That's so real. Many learners can relate.
Lesson learned: starting early saves stress and your health.
To our viewers, have you ever crammed at the last minute? Share your late-night study stories below. Let's travel. In Japan, trains are famous for arriving exactly on time, sometimes apologizing for being 1 minute late.
In Germany, meetings and classes start precisely. Being late feels disrespectful.
In contrast, many Mediterranean and Latin American countries view time more flexibly: relationships first, clock second.
In the US, being on time usually means arriving 5 minutes early, especially for interviews.
How about your country? Is it okay to be late to dinner with friends?
comment below.
Learning these cultural views makes your English communication friendlier. Some real tips that helped us. Write 3 priorities each morning. Break big projects into small steps. Plan tomorrow tonight. Use reminders and alarms. Reward yourself after finishing a task.
And tools: calendars, Google Calendar, to-do apps, Todoist, Notion, and time trackers.
Or go analog.
Sticky notes, planners, or a simple notebook.
Share your favorite method below. You might inspire someone.
And if these help, give the video a like so we know to make more episodes like this.
To describe plans, we often use going to. I'm going to finish my homework tonight. Present continuous. I'm meeting my tutor tomorrow.
Also, words like schedule,
plan, aim,
intend, hope to.
Try writing. Tomorrow, I'm going to. Or, next week, I'm meeting.
Post your sentence below. Real practice helps memory. Let's take our vocabulary and bring it to life. When speaking English, it isn't just the words you say, it's how you say them.
English is a stress-timed language. This means some words are naturally said louder or longer. I must finish it today. I'm running late. Time flies.
Notice how must, late, and flies get extra punch. Practice with us. I'm gonna do it now. I really need to focus. Just 5 more minutes.
Tip: record yourself on your phone. Play it back. Do you sound flat? Or do your important words stand out?
Also, learn reductions. Going to, gonna. Want to, wanna. Have to, have to.
Say, I'm gonna study now. Do you want to join?
Small details, but together they make you sound natural, not robotic.
Now, pick one sentence about your day. I'm gonna finish my homework after lunch. Say it 3 times, slow, medium, fast, feel the rhythm.
Here's a funny story. One January, I bought a big fancy planner. I decorated it with stickers, motivational quotes, and color-coded tabs.
Sounds amazing. Did it help?
Not really. I spent hours making it look perfect, but never actually wrote my real tasks.
So you had the world's prettiest empty planner?
Exactly. By February, I gave up. What I learned, a planner is useful only when it's practical, messy handwriting, quick lists, not perfect pages.
That's relatable. Once I overplanned every hour. When real life changed, I felt like I'd failed.
Flexibility matters. To viewers, have you done something similar? Tell us your planner fail story.
Remember, productivity isn't about pretty tools, it's about using them daily, even imperfectly.
This story teaches, don't let planning become the procrastination. Now it's your turn. Imagine your ideal balanced weekday.
Example. Wake at 7 a.m. Do light stretching. Study English for 30 minutes. Work from 9 to 5, with short breaks every hour. After work, meet a friend, then read or relax before bed.
Try to include a wake-up and sleep times, study or work blocks, exercise or rest, fun or creative time, meals.
Tip: use I'm going to and time words like after, then, finally.
Write it in English and post it in the comments. Example: at 8 a.m., I'm going to read news. Then I'll start work at 9. After lunch, I'll take a short walk. In the evening, I'll watch an English video and write a summary.
We'll read some aloud in the next episode. And hey, even writing 3 lines helps your fluency.
Extra challenge: record yourself reading your plan aloud. Listen for rhythm and pronunciation.
Question 1. Time flies means A. Time moves slowly. B. Time goes quickly.
Question 2. Which is more polite? A. Tell me the time. B. Could you tell me the time?
Question 3. True or false, I'm gonna work sounds natural in speech.
Write your answers in the comments.
Ready for real life practice? Tomorrow, try time blocking.
What's that? You divide your day into blocks. Morning study. Midday work. Evening, exercise or relax.
For example, 8 to 10 a.m., English practice. 10 to 12 p.m., work. 1 to 2 p.m., lunch. 2 to 4 p.m., meetings. 5 to 6 p.m., gym. 7 to 9 p.m., family or hobbies.
At the end of the day, ask, what worked? Where did you get distracted? What will you adjust tomorrow?
Post your schedule in the comments. We might feature yours next time.
Remember, it's normal if plans change. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness.
And if you like these challenges, give us a thumbs up. It helps us know what to create next.
Why do we procrastinate? Task feels too big? Break into smaller parts. Fear of failure? Start tiny, e.g., just 5 minutes. A low energy? Move, stretch, drink water.
My trick: start with the easy win, something small to get momentum.
Mine, tell a friend. Saying I'll do it by tonight adds pressure.
Remember, action beats overthinking. Even imperfect action.
Extra tip: write tomorrow's top 3 tasks tonight.
To viewers, what usually makes you procrastinate? Social media? Fear? Fatigue? Share your answer and your best tip below.
Together, we can build better habits. Today, you learned new words and idioms, real stories, cultural insights, writing and quizzes.
Practical tips.
Don't forget to subscribe and share. Your support helps more learners worldwide.
See you on the next episode of the Daily Dialogue. Speak smart. Think global.